do it. So here's a typical example where we've got an assembly, right? This is our original assembly here, and we've got options for different paint colors, let's say. A great way to capture those variations or variants is using model states in Inventor, right? So our blue has a slightly different part number and a different description. Our green has a slightly different part number and different description, right? We can capture that data in CAD, but now how do we get that out of CAD into, you know, 3 different part numbers that are almost identical, but maybe each have their own part number for the paint of that specific color, and, you know, different overall part number and different description, right? Well, in CAD, maybe you're exporting 3 different bills of material to Excel and then giving them the right name and then touching each spreadsheet to add the part number. But in Vault, what we can do is we can just assign item to that assembly, and it will automatically extract, just like that, the 3 distinct part numbers for the 3 distinct different colors. So our base, and then our blue variant, and our green variant with the correct description. Now these are 3 different records in the system that can now each have their bill of materials modified to add the correct color of paint, but they are all still linked back to the CAD file, right? So this to me is one of the best uses of items in Vault, is being able to quickly build out your bills of material for variants that you have captured in a single document with model states.